All right, 3623 Shangri Drive, running the rear, 2-inch vents in the back. Well, we'll run this all the way to the main sewer and check out all the way to the city line. Got PVC plastic going into a little bit of cast iron inside the slab, and then immediately back into PVC plastic. Let's see, there's a repair done. It looks like a little bit of backfall here. Then we go back into cast iron pipe. That must have been inside of a chain wall. I'm gonna recheck it after the water's running, stops running. Okay, here's the repair. Then we go back into cast iron pipe again. Here's the connection for both units where they tie on together. Made it out to the city line. Alright, next we're gonna go do the sewer branch line. We'll do this. Actually, we'll do this other second 2-inch branch line, and then we'll do the sewer.